Guys, this chocolate's so good. It is.
Wait, is there any more candy?
I swear there's more candy.
I don't think so. Wait, who ate the last piece?
Oh no.
Wait, guys, I have an idea. Let's go to R.M. Palmer to get more chocolate.
We hopped into a van and traveled to R.M. Palmer, located in Wyomissing, PA. While there, we learned about the company.
At R.M. Palmer, we are known for our seasonal and novelty chocolate products. We've been around for 75 years, making candy fun. We do that through unique innovation in our new product development. We do that through our packaging and the colors and the vibrancy of the brand that we bring to market.
It's a factory, and our job is to make candy to send to stores for people to buy and eat and consume. The company started in 1948, and we had one molding line, and we made hollow bunnies. That was it. And you actually put the chocolate in the mold by hand, and you close it up, and you put in this thing, it spun it around and cooled it. The industry has changed dramatically as far as the technology to make the chocolate, and now we do tens of thousands of bunnies a minute.
We learned that R.M. Palmer housed all levels of educational backgrounds. This includes college degrees and high school diplomas. Most importantly, all employees are required to have on-the-job training and certifications, which assist them in moving up the career ladder.
I think the cool part of manufacturing is seeing where we start here with all the raw ingredients, and at the end comes out a finished wrapped product that you see in the stores.
At Palmer, I think it's our people, right? Our people are very resilient. This business, as I mentioned, has been around for over 75 years. We've seen ups, we've seen downs, but it is this team that makes this place so special.
We try and make everything that when you look at it and see, it brings a little bit more of a tingle to the heart as well as the taste buds.
I love the fact that I get to have a small role in bringing that joy to our consumers every day.
We went to R.M. Palmer's for chocolate and ended up learning so much about the company.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing!